We know in NDC that we enjoy a lot of support in the Zongos. And I want to assure you that we don't take that support for granted. We appreciate that support, and that is why anytime NDC is in power, we try to make sure that when we are sharing the fruits of the national cake and development, we make sure that the Zongos get their fair share. I remember when I was president, we were going to do roads in the Ashanti region. And we realized that a lot of the roads that we were going to do, the Zongos had been left out. And so we called the engineers and said, I mean, these are deprived communities. They also deserve a fair share of these roads. And so we added some more kilometers of roads. And that is how come today you go to Asawase and they have some of the best roads in the whole of Ghana. You go to Asakari Mampong and they have good roads, because we think that our deprived communities also deserve their fair share of the national cake. It's not only roads. We've built clinics, we've built schools, and as was being said a moment ago, when we're doing the project to remove schools under trees, a lot of the substandard schools that we removed and replaced with modern classroom blocks were in our Zongos and in the northern regions of Ghana. We have done a lot in our Zongo communities, and we are not a type who come and have to take a paper and read for people to know what we have done. Our people can see themselves the work that NDC does in our Zongo communities anytime NDC is in office. I don't need to go over that again. There are several projects we're doing that have been abandoned. When we were sharing the E-blocks, several of them were allocated to Zongo and Muslim communities. Many of those schools have been abandoned